Michael here. Today I'm going to show you how to put a chainsaw change on. A lot of people don't know how to do that, so I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so we got the saw disassembled, we got the bar off, we got the new chain. So here's your chain, and here's the cutters. Now the angled part is the sharp part, which needs to go forward away from you. So you take the bar and you put the chain on the bar. And again, that's away from you, going forward. This is the cutter. Get a good shot of that. Now another thing you need to do when you got the chain off is these right here. These little holes, if yours has them, that's for the oil to go through for the chain oiler. And there's one on each side. So you need to make sure that those are cleared out. So clear them out if you can. If you got an air compressor, blow them out. Now they make a tool that's called a groove cleaner. Now if you don't have one, you could find some kind of small screwdriver or whatever and clean that groove out of there before you put that chain on, because see, there's a lot of nastiness in there. Look at all that nastiness coming out of there. Or you can go online and buy this groove cleaning tool for a chainsaw. So you want to get that out of there so that way the oiler works good and oils up that chain. All these chainsaws have a chain adjuster. Now some of the chain adjusters, like on this here Stilt chainsaw, is right here on the side. And that's what adjusts the tension for the saw chain. Some of them are in the front. There's a screwdriver slot in the front so you can adjust it. Now chances are your chainsaw chain has stretched out. So when you go to put a new one on there, you're going to have to move that adjuster so that that pin lines up with that hole in there. Because when you move that adjuster, that's what tightens and loosens the chain. So you put the chain on. Get it in the groove of the bar. Make sure your cutters are facing forward. So there's the cutter. That's how you know it's facing forward. That's your depth gauge. This is the cutter. This is the sharp part. You would not believe how many customers come in and got the chain on backwards. Get it to mesh with the sprocket. And of course, our chain was stretched. So we need to get that pin to line up with the hole. This one was really stretched out. There we go. Now it's lined up. Now we can put the cover back on. This is a good time to clean all this. There's a lot of debris, sawdust and stuff in there. You need to clean all that out. Put the cover on. Take the bar nuts. And then all you have to do is put the bar nuts on there. You don't need to tighten them yet. Just want to get it to hold it in place. Now, you should be wearing gloves when you do this, and I'm not wearing gloves, so I'm a bad example. And you want to rotate the chain to make sure it's working good. Now we got some slack in there. We want to take that slack out. So now that's when we put the screwdriver in the slot and see how it's tightening it. By me tightening that, here I'll loosen it up. There's the slack. We turn the adjuster and it tightens it. You want to push up on the bar because when you're cutting with the saw, you're pushing on here when you're cutting that log. So you want to push up on it and you want to take the chain and you want to pull it down and it should spring back. You want to pull it down so it's about like right there, like that. It's got tension on it. And it should spring back. That's how you want it. And then it spins free. Now you can go ahead and tighten these nuts. Again, you should have gloves on when you do this because the chain is sharp. Spins nice and free. We got good snapback. Now, of course, the first few cuts you're going to make with a brand new chainsaw change is going to stretch a little bit. So when it does that and it starts drooping on you, stop, turn the saw off, loosen these nuts. All you got to do is loosen them. Take your screwdriver, give it a little tension, tighten them back up. It's as simple as that. Easy peasy. But a lot of people don't know. And that's why I'm here to teach you. So, that's all there is to putting a chainsaw change on a chainsaw. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All on Taryl. Go to our web store, buy some of our merchandise, support the channel. Follow me, Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! There's your dinner on that, putting that chain on that chainsaw. Pretty simple, ain't it? Now you know. Woo!